Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Ooh, I'm so excited. I've got a block of wood from Dollar Tree and some Dollar Tree fall stickers. So let's put it all together for Soozie Stuff, 60-second DIY. Come on! Before the clock starts, I'm going to show you my supplies. These darling stickers from Dollar Tree. They're so cute, little pumpkins. And then this new thing I saw, it's called a chunky slat at Dollar Tree. And I love it. Let's have a clock. Here we go. I am first giving it just one little kind of a thick coat there. The paint kind of spilled out, but it's some white chalk paint. Folk Art is the brand, and now it's dry, and I'm just going to rough it up a little bit, give it a rustic feel, give it a farmhouse feel with my standing block. And now let's open up those so cute stickers. They have a little texture to them, and here's where the fun begins. I think I could play with stickers all day long. They're so fun, so quick, and add the cutest little touch to everything. And with about 20 seconds left, I'm going to add this wooden finishing piece. They're little wooden knobs or whatever you call them from Walmart. I had this left over and it was stained, and I just kind of roughed it up with my sandpaper. Now we're going to add some raffia, make a little quick bow. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. How cute is this? Time's up. How quick and easy was this? I think this would be so cute in your bathroom, up on the counter, or your kitchen, or just anywhere. I think it's darling. I love those pumpkins. They're so whimsical and cute. And check out how I made those little copper pumpkins in my last video. So I hope you enjoyed this 60-second DIY. Thank you for joining me today. I love Tuesdays because they're quick, easy, and very affordable 60-second DIYs. And also on Saturdays is my full DIY episodes. I hope you can join me for that. Thanks to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. I so appreciate you watching and visiting with me when you leave a comment down below. So thanks for watching Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye everybody.